the early challenges around adoption were pretty short-lived. Once people started using the tool and they could, reap the benefits of using the tool, then it was much more smooth sailing. So I think we have now 45 users, across 8 countries in Asia Pacific. So we'll probably be at double that in terms of users by the end of 2014. Ensuring that for every single hire that we're making in all the 16 countries that we're in, that checked is part and parcel of that, to ensure that it's kind of the way it's being used is following our best practice approach, which is as early into the front end of the recruiting processes as is practical to do. I think we need to anchor check to our quality of hire assessment and our return on hire assessments. We needed to put some rigor and automation behind selection rather than just relying on traditional referencing processes. So it was a lifelong frustration with a process that is essentially broken and ineffective, in today's contemporary setting. That's why I began a search for something that was going to answer, that particular problem set. Firstly, it saves us a bunch of time, and time is the most valuable commodity that exists. We've seen that the tool has enabled us to identify superstars that maybe we would have overlooked before based on their career history. It's enabled us to be using that extra time to focus on this more important strategic stuff. We've prevented a number of bad hires from happening. The value of the tool is it's hard to put a price on, to be honest.